Okay, I'm gonna change out this filter here. All right, it's had a crack at the top. Somebody repaired it. It doesn't look great. It's leaking down here and at this valve. So we had water in there. And I'm gonna show you how to replace this. Okay, first thing you do is you cut the pipe like right here. Boom! Magic. All right, let's get this out. Okay, when you're going to buy the new one, you're going to need this information right here. It's a C902, meaning it's a C900, and the connection at the bottom are a 2-inch connection. That's how you can tell wherever you're purchasing it that it's a C902. All right, now we also have to cut off this side. So let me get to that. Okay, now you have both ends off. Just get it out of the way. Now we need to here's the pressure gauge. All right, let's pull out the new filter. Well, actually, it already came with Teflon tape on it. So we're just gonna screw it down in there. Okay. Next, we have the inlet and the out. We're going to utilize these. Okay, before we screw them in, I'm going to use a little Teflon tape, but I'm going to use pipe dope. All right. Okay, now I had put the Teflon tape on here. Okay, but what I'm going to do is use the pipe dope in the threads in here, because once you put this in and everything's glued, you don't want this coming back out. So the pipe dope is going to seal it better than the Teflon tape. Get it all the way around in there. Okay. Then screw this in. Get a pair of pliers. All the way on there. Have it done on both sides. Okay, now we need to clean up the existing pipes we get the fittings on. Do it to both pipes. We have both pipes all cleaned up. Let's get ready to connect it. Now, you get it all clean with the cleaner. Then you put the primer on. I put it on the inside and the outside of the other pipe. I'm going to put the glue on and fit these together quickly. Then we'll work on the other side. Okay. Got that side in. Now we're going to work on the other side. Okay, now I cut the pipe. When it goes in here, it'll be right even with that. Okay, so I cleaned both ends. I primed it there and inside there. Now I got a repair coupling. Repair coupling doesn't have anything in the middle. You slide it on the pipe first, then we connect this there, then we put the glue on and we slide it over. All right, let me get it ready. Put the repair coupling, we slid it on. We're gonna glue that piece into there. Glued that piece in, and now we're real close to being able to have that meet up. And we're gonna glue this and slide this over. Gotta do it quickly. Okay, when you glue on there, you slide it on and you turn it till it stops turning. You only have to turn it probably one turn, okay? But then once it starts drying, you keep it together and then let it completely dry. Okay, now it's all connected. Everything's in. All right, let's go ahead and turn it on. There you go. All right, that's how you connect your filter. This other one had a crack and it was leaking, so now we've got this one moving. Now we got this one, brand new one, all installed, no leaks. Looks good. All right, building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Give me a thumbs up. Really helps the channel. Thank you. See you on the next one.